Yo, what's up everybody? This is Smart Travel Choices, your travel channel to provide you with important travel tips. We're talking about air travel, the bane of existence for so many, but it doesn't have to be this way. I've spent more time in the air than I care to admit, and I've learned a thing or two about making it enjoyable. We're diving into game-changing air travel tips to transform you into a travel ninja. Seat selection strategies, luggage hacks, security shortcuts, and in-flight entertainment secrets. Let's do this. Look, we all have our quirks, right? Some need the aisle seat legroom and easy bathroom access. Others crave the window seat views and a wall to lean against. Don't leave your fate to chance. Choose your seat in advance. Especially crucial if you're traveling with your crew. Stick together. Picture this. You're at baggage claim, eyes glued to the carousel, watching a parade of black roller bags go by. Don't be that person. Stand out from the crowd. Invest in bold colors, funky patterns, or a giant sticker. It'll make baggage claim reunions a lot easier. We've all been there. That moment at the check-in counter when your bag is overweight. Avoid this by investing in a luggage scale. Weigh your bag at home and pack accordingly. You'll thank me later. Packing a suitcase is an art form, balancing space and order. My secret weapon? Packing cubes. These magic organizers compress clothes and keep everything neat. It's like Tetris for your luggage, and it's a game changer. We all know the drill. Shoes off, laptops out, liquids in a separate bin. Here's a pro tip. Pack your liquids at the top of your carry-on bag. When it's your turn, grab the baggie of liquids, toss it in the bin, and breeze through security. Checked bags? Who needs them? Okay, I know it's not always feasible, but hear me out. Traveling with just a carry-on is like a superpower. You're free from baggage claim, can skip long check-in lines, and your belongings arrive with you. Pack strategically, prioritize ruthlessly, and embrace minimalist travel. Sometimes checking a bag is unavoidable, but there's a golden rule. Keep your essentials close. Chargers, medications, toiletries, a change of clothes. These can make or break your trip. Pack them in your carry-on and breathe easy knowing you're prepared. Your carry-on is your lifeline in case of a checked bag catastrophe. Most airlines allow a personal item in addition to your carry-on. This is where travel ninjas shine. Not a flimsy tote, but a deep, spacious, pocketed masterpiece. Think backpacks with laptop sleeves, duffel bags with secret compartments, weekender bags that could double as a small car. Maximize under-seat space with in-flight entertainment, snacks, and essentials. Look, I'm not afraid to rock a fanny pack, okay? Especially when it comes to air travel. A well-worn bag strapped across your chest is the ultimate travel hack. Passport, boarding pass, wallet, phone, everything you need, easily accessible and secure. Plus, it's like having a wearable go bag for crowded terminals. Airports are like nightclubs. Nobody wants to be there at peak hours. Avoid the crowds, lines, and chaos. Wednesdays are your sweet spot. Avoid weekends unless you enjoy long lines and delays. Trust me, your sanity will thank you. Look, I'm not a morning person, but early morning flights are where it's at. The airport is practically deserted, security is a breeze, and you avoid delays. Plus, there's something satisfying about being up before the rest of the world. Listen, I get it. Budgets are real, and sometimes you gotta fly economy like the rest of us. But if you can swing it, treating yourself to an upgrade can be a game changer. More legroom, better service, maybe even a free drink. Long layovers are the worst, right? Stuck in airport purgatory surrounded by crowds and bad food, but fear not, there's a secret weapon. The airport lounge. These havens offer comfy chairs, free food, and sometimes showers and nap pods. Many airlines offer temporary lounge passes for a fee, so check it out and treat yourself to a slice of airport heaven. Let's be real, airport security can be soul-crushing. But there's a way to bypass the chaos. TSA PreCheck. It's like a fast pass, letting you breeze through security and keep your shoes on. It costs a few bucks, but the time and stress saved are priceless. If you're a casual traveler, this might not apply to you. But if you're always on the move, frequent flyer miles can pay off big time. Choose an airline and stick with them. Earn points, unlock perks, and live the frequent flyer life, sipping champagne in the lounge. Listen up, people, we're living in the future. Control your entire travel experience from a device in your pocket. Download your airline's app. Check in, track your flight status, get real-time updates on delays or gate changes. Big international airports might have all the bells and whistles, but they can be a nightmare to navigate. The best travel experiences often start at smaller regional airports. Shorter lines, quicker security, and you're not walking a mile to your gate. There's a charm to smaller airports, a sense of community and efficiency. In-flight Wi-Fi can be unreliable and expensive. Download your movies, shows, podcasts, and audiobooks before leaving home. Ensure hours of entertainment, even if Wi-Fi fails at 30,000 feet. Airport food is overpriced, underwhelming, and often just plain bad. Don't fall victim to their traps. Pack your own snacks. Trail mix, granola bars, fruit, nuts. Your weapons against airport food extortion. It's more satisfying to munch on your own goodies while others are stuck with overpriced sandwiches. Staying hydrated while traveling is crucial, but airport water bottle prices can make you choke. Bring your own reusable water bottle. Empty it before security and fill it up at a fountain. Save money, reduce waste, and stay hydrated like a boss. Alright folks, there you have it. 10 game-changing air travel tips to transform your next trip into a surprisingly enjoyable experience. Remember, air travel doesn't have to suck. With a little planning and a few savvy hacks, you can conquer those friendly skies. Now go forth, fellow travelers, and spread the gospel of stress-free air travel. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell for more tips and travel adventures. Peace out.